Disclaimer. This is educational purpose video only. I didn't harm anyone. I used my own device during explain of this method, so please don't use this method any kind of illegal or malicious activities. Because hacking is crime. If you do this, then it can land you in jail. I'm not support any kind of illegal or malicious hacking.
And then integrate it within MSF. You can easily download and install Nessus Home. So open your web browser and search for Nessus Home. And you'll see a link like this and click it to get to the product page. Right, so here are all of the Nessus editions. So, like I was saying before, we're going to use the Home Edition. But believe me, just because it's a Home Edition doesn't mean it lacks punch. This version is amazing. So, click the Register Now button. Fill up this form. I'll just buzz through it quickly. First name John. Last name is Doe. With 3 E's. And the email is johndoe@yopmail.com. Yopmail is a disposable mailbox. In case you haven't heard of it, it's really handy, like in these kind of situations. So then click the register button. And now I'm on the download page, so click the download link. Now here is where you've got to choose the suitable version for your operating system. And here is the 32-bit version for Kali. In case you're still back in the 90s. No, kidding. I'm just going to use the 64-bit version for Kali. So I'm going to download this one. As always, I read every word in the agreement. There's no problem. So I agree. And save the file. Now, of course, it depends upon your internet speed, so it may take a while, it may not. I'm not going to wait that long, and I'm not going to make you wait that long, so I'll just... My download's finished. It's magic. And I'm going to go to the download directory. Now, right-click here and open up the terminal. Let me rearrange my screen so that you can look over my shoulder. Alright, so the installation is pretty easy. Just type dpkgi and the Nessus file name. So I will copy this command to start Nessus. Weird. So I'm going to start it up manually. Service Nessus D start. Service Nessus D status. Okay, starts. So click this link now. And in just a second. So this is a warning for the self-signed certificate of Nessus. So don't worry about that right now. So click Advanced. Add exception. Confirm the exception. And now you've got to create a user. So I'm going to write root, but this is not necessarily necessary. You can always type something else. Define a password. And click Continue. So here it wants the activation code. So in a new tab, I'm going to go to Yopmail and my John Doe mailbox. So here's the license. They sent it over to my mailbox. So I can just copy that, paste it, and continue. So the setup will first download the Nessus plugins, and this is how they will be compiled. This whole process will take a little time, but then the home page will open. I'm going to stop my recording here, and I'm going to come back after completion. So my installation's finished, and this page is automatically open. Congratulations, you have installed Nessus Home Edition. So the next thing is to go use it in your laboratory. I'll see you in the lab.